I was tired, I was hungry, I fight. Now I'm away, I ride home every day, and I see you on the TV at night. You can see there's lots for us to talk about. You can leave whenever you want out. Whoa. You don't relate to me, no girl. You don't respect to me, no girl, no girl. Yeah. When I met you, I didn't know what to do, but I noticed that I didn't really feel. Now you're away, you ride home every day. I don't beg, I don't borrow, but still